So welcome back once again. This is Kevin from Construction Scale Mall Imports. Today doing a review for you guys on a hook truck or a roll-on, roll-off truck. As usual, thank you for your comments and your emails and your questions. This product is available from our website. That's www.csmi.com.au, or you could email us at info@csmi.com.au. So let's get stuck into this. As usual, I'll give you some dimensions for those who are interested in knowing the size of this box, and then we'll go into the details of this truck. So we've got about 700 mil, which is or 27.5 inches or 70 centimeters. The width of the box is 9.5 inches, 24 centimeters or 240 mil, and we have 15 inches, 390 mil or 39 centimeters. So the box weighs about 15 kilos. This is how it comes actually. I've taken the cardboard box off to make it easier and keep the video shorter so that you can get more value for your money while you're watching the video. So let's open this up. Pretty well packed. The box is included when you buy the model itself. Easy to transport so that you don't have to build something while they're transporting and you're not damaging the model itself. Pretty decent quality box, I'd say. Well, it's for free, so you can't complain. Pretty well packed. I'll get the camera a little bit closer so that you can actually see the way it's been packed inside. Very well packed, so you don't have much damage when you are going to receive this particular truck. Styrofoam. Okay. It's pretty tight in there. Now, this is a box of spares. I believe it could be the cab. I think so. As we get closer, we'll probably find out what it is. We will open it up. Another box of spares. Now I want to show you what it looks like inside and the way it's packed. So it gives you an idea. There you go. Excuse the shadow. But as you can see, that's what you will be getting if you order this truck. This is exactly how every single one of them will be dispatched. Run further, some more packing. And here comes the tray. So get some dimensions on the tray. So pretty well constructed tray. As you can see, it's all metal. It's got a locking mechanism for the tailgate to open up. As you can see, it's pretty much locked right now, and has it lifts at a certain angle. The tailgate will open up. So it opens up only one way. There are hinges located on either side, but obviously this tailgate isn't designed for a two-way opening. It only pivots from up here. Well constructed CNC laser cut spot welded sections up here. Very well designed, I would say. Pretty heavy, probably about a kilo in weight or 1.5 kilos. It's got rollers because it's a roll-on, roll-off truck. Strong point for anchoring and pulling the tray onto the truck. I'll give you some dimensions on this for those of you who are interested. The tray can be bought separate also from our website if you are interested in the tray itself. Let's get the camera into focus so you can see. So the length of the tray is about 19 inches. 480 mil or 48 centimeters. The maximum width is 19 centimeters or 190 mil or 7.5 inches. If you'd like to know, the depth is about 2 inches, or you could say 2.25 inches, 70 mil. So that's what we have for the tray. Let's go further and have a look what's inside. I'll put the tray away. let's get the camera back into focus. I want to show you the way the truck is actually packed in before I take it out. So there you go. It's still packed pretty well. Multiple layers of styrofoam or foam so that it's not damaged in transportation. So definitely got to give credit for the manufacturers for doing a good job on that. So it's getting better. There you go. So the cab's not mounted. You have to build and assemble the cab yourself so that it's not damaged in transportation, and I guess gives you the option of painting the truck in your own color. So let's pull this truck out. It is pretty heavy. Gotta make sure that. Okay. There we go. Close the cover. I'll stick it up here. Okay. So that's the way this particular kit's going to arrive. As you can see, there's a fair bit of detail in the way it's being built. You have to put some more connections for the hydraulics, or sorry, a receiver rather. All the hydraulics and the speed controller has been plumbed in. So that's where we're going to stop on this particular video. As usual, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can email us at info@csmi.com.au. And this truck can be purchased from our website, that is www.csmi.com.au. Thank you.